child. Good morning. Just before I set off, I'll show you this new back box for today. I can see you. So that's going on, plus the reducer. So, because it's 3.5 inch now, down to 3 inch, so I'll go like that. So it's going from big to small, which can't happen too often, surely.
As we go down, go like this.
Right.
There we go. That's it.
Beautiful. It went up to 104 right at the end, but I think that was, I think you might have overthrottled.
I'll try again on the like 4, let's see what 4 does.
That was alright, that though. Yeah, it didn't go over 101. It was that burble, the burble at the end when you come off, that's the loudest bit. What's going on, mate?
Sweet.
It went up over 104, but only just, and then it went down to 103.
I went past 4.5, and then I just, so 103. Alright, so I'll put 4. So
trip out we just did in Ed's car was to get a new wideband sensor, because mine's knackered, and we replaced that and it hasn't fixed it. So I've got a whole new unit to go in. It's second hand. See that? It's got a boost cage on it as well. But it's second hand, so it's covered in crap. So I'm just going to chop my fingers off and try and clean it. On my way back home now. Done a full day in the garage. 9:30 until 5:30. I've not eaten anything all day. But it doesn't matter because I've been playing with cars. So we fixed the exhaust. When I say fixed, made it quieter. Only by about 8 decibels, but hopefully now it will pass the test to get on track. And we replaced the sensor for the wideband, but that didn't work, so then we replaced the whole wideband unit. And now that does work, and I've got a lovely, was it Pro Sport gauge now. A bit nicer looking than the old one. I would also, if you need the garage to go to, Ed's Garage in Kirby. He'll look after you. Other than that, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next one. The next one being on track. Bye bye.